Welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. As a mechanical engineer, in today's tutorial the focus will be on creating detailed keyway features in SolidWorks. We'll build two variations, a standard machine-milled keyway and a segmented keyway, using a practical shaft example so you can apply the same workflow to real components. Then we'll move into the drawing environment, where you'll see how to place all the required dimensions for these keyway features in just one click. Watch the video until the end to see the complete process from 3D model to fully detailed drawing. Now let's jump into SolidWorks and get started. Let's start by creating the straight machine keyway on the shaft. Begin by adding a reference plane parallel to the front plane and tangent to the cylindrical surface of the shaft. On this new plane, create a sketch and use the slot tool to sketch the keyway profile according to the drawing dimensions. Making sure that the width corresponds to the specified tolerance of the keyway size H9. Once the sketch is fully defined, switch to the Cut Extrude feature and set the cut depth to 4.5 mm to generate the keyway slot. Confirm the feature, then verify all critical dimensions against the drawing to ensure the keyway geometry matches the required tolerance and depth. Now let's model the segmented or Woodruff keyway on the shaft. Start by selecting the right plane and creating a new sketch. Draw a circular profile with a diameter of 28 mm. Then position it according to the drawing so that the center is 23.25 mm from the end face of the shaft. And the resulting keyseat depth is 8.35 mm with a positive depth tolerance of plus 0.2 mm applied. With the sketch fully defined, use the Cut Extrude feature. And set the end condition to mid-plane with a total width of 6 mm so the keyway is centered on the shaft. Confirm the feature to generate the Woodruff keyway. And once it looks correct, the shaft is ready for creating the detailed drawing. Let's open the drawing file. We'll start by adding two standard views, the front view and the side view. In the side view, let's create broken out sections to reveal internal details. Now it's time to add the required dimensions. You could place each dimension manually, but to speed up the process, we'll use the Model Items tool. Go to Insert and select Model Items. Make sure to enable Import Items into all views and also check mark for drawing. Next, select the keyways in the drawing. You'll notice that all relevant dimensions, including tolerances, are automatically imported. Finally, let's tidy up the layout by organizing the dimensions and adding any additional notes where needed. By the way, we can change the dimensions on the drawing and the model will be updated automatically. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.